This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann Davis. Welcome to your well-thought-out floor plan of this 3-bedroom 1.5-bath townhome in Level Green. This community is getting a brand new park near the already well-appointed pool and clubhouse. Enjoy the floor-to-room all year round. You'll find plenty of privacy as the owner has installed a privacy fence around the entire backyard. The home features leaf-guard gutters, Window World windows, 10 years, a new dishwasher from East Coast Appliance, 3 years, roof 2013, HVAC 2014, water heater 2023, new floors upstairs and downstairs. This townhome is ideal for both investors and families.com. Home today to 5979 Edgelake Drive in Virginia Beach, close to intestates, shopping and dining. October 23, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Davis at 757-422-2200.